Hey ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Gorgoni here. Today what we're going to do is we're going to show how to check your grades and print out your grades in an electronic format. Then we're going to open up that electronic file and we're going to edit it to show exactly what assignments you are missing. Then you're going to take that edited electronic printout of your grades, and then you're going to submit it to me or share it to me so that I see that you know what it is you're missing and you have to complete. So let's do it. When you're looking in Aries, those grades you see right now are they're not up to date. And so we have to use Canvas in order to check our grades and to keep on track of what we need to do in class. And that's probably just for this class. And we've talked about it before. It's very unfortunate that it's not working yet, but we're still working to fix it. Now, Canvas here on the Canvas homepage has a link that will take you to your grades. So please click on the grades link. That takes you to your particular list of assignments that you've turned in or haven't turned in and or received a grade for them. Now, this is a test account that hasn't had any assignments graded, so things that are not submitted will show up as missing. That may or may not be the case in your grades. The reason for this, when I have to go through and grade an assignment, if you didn't turn something in, I have to put a 0 in your score in order for your grade to calculate correctly. And so you may not see a missing status here. You may see a 0. And when you see a 0 under the score here, that usually means you didn't turn anything in. Okay? Now there may also be a 0, and you may have turned something in, but there may be a comment waiting for you to respond to or waiting for you to do something with. It's really important that you look through grades once a day at least to check what grades do you have in this class, what assignments do you need to complete. And now once you're on this page, you'll have zeros, you may have some assignments that you didn't even realize were zeros, so it's always a good idea to just scroll down and check. What you're going to do next is you're going to print your grades. And now I know you may not have a printer at home. That's okay. Just click Print Grades, and it will give you an option to print. Now that's my home printer, but that's not going to help you. You can either save it as a PDF and then move it to a Google Drive, or you can just save to Google Drive. We're going to save to Google Drive. Actually, it looks like they're going to get rid of this option here. So why don't we save as PDF? So you're going to click Save as PDF. You're going to click Save right here. And now it will be saved in your Google Drive. So go ahead and save it. So on your Chromebooks, it should have saved that file in your Google Drive. So we're going to now open up our Google Drive by clicking drive.google.com. And you'll see right in my quick access there, it's the last thing that's been added. We're going to open this file. And we're actually going to click up here where it says Open With, and we're going to select Annotate with Canvas. Now this is going to open up that PDF that you just created in Canvas, that you saved in your Google Drive, and it allows us to use Kami in order to complete it. You're going to go through and you're going to find anything that is missing or a 0, and you're going to highlight it for me. just like that. Just highlight the date and then the scores. Go through and do that for all of these missing assignments. Remember, you're looking for zeros. Once you've done that, you're going to go up here to save, and you're going to save it in your drive. Okay, so now that you've highlighted all your missing assignments in yellow, I want you to go all the way down to the bottom, and I want you to find your final total, your grade, and in red, I want you to highlight your grade. Ooh, let's undo that. Let's just do it over here. Once your grade is highlighted, you're going to share this document with me. This is the best way to do it. You click the share button up here, share document button. You're then going to click copy. That copies this web address automatically for you. And you're going to put this into the Canvas assignment where it says website URL. You will paste what you just copied into the website URL box. That will give me access to the highlighted version of your grades PDF.